Hello and welcome back to Glenn's Small Engine, home of the world famous free repair videos for outdoor power equipment. Look around at my other videos. Hopefully you'll see something you like. Just hit that subscribe button. We're going to do something a little different in this video. I've had a problem with moles in my backyard for years, and I've actually found a way to get rid of them. I'm talking 100% moles gone. They pack their bags and they leave. I've fought with them for years. I've bought everything you can buy. Nothing worked. I've hired pest control people, mole whisperers, even tried voodoo, and nothing worked. But I built one of these at home, and I got rid of the moles in my backyard in about 2 weeks. And so we're going to mount this trimmer engine on a stand here that we're going to build. This is an old flywheel, but you can even use a 5-gallon bucket, pour concrete in it, and bend your stem down, let it set in the concrete, and you can build your own little mole stand. There's other ways you can do this, but this is the way I like to do it. So just stay tuned, watch this video, and we're going to show you how this has worked, and then at the end of it we'll even demonstrate it, and you'll actually see the moles jump up and run. They used to do the Macarena in my backyard every evening. Now they're gone. And so just stay tuned here and we'll show you how this process works. I removed this piece off the muffler, welded this pipe nipple, and then we're going to take a piece of this flex gas line, screw it on there, and when we set it all up, we'll actually pour a little bit of motor oil in our tank with our 2-cycle fuel to dirty up the emissions. We're wanting the emissions to be a little dirtier because the moles, we want to kill them. So just stay tuned here and we'll get this done. Okay, you can see how we're getting our mounts and stuff cut. This is actually part of the tube off the trimmer. We're actually going to even have us a little handle that we're going to use for it. We're just using some old scrap angle iron here for our mount. We've got some bolts there that we're going to use. We're going to drill some holes in this and weld all this together. Just wanted to show you kind of where we are here at this point. But you can see how we're starting to get our pieces to weld together here. This aluminum, of course you can't weld aluminum to steel, so we're going to drill some holes right here. I kind of hammered this tube down a little bit so I could slide this 1-inch piece of flat up in there. We've got our little bracket welded on our flywheel there for our mount. We've got 3 bolts welded on the bottom of it. It just makes it more stable when it's sitting out in the dirt. That way it don't rock around and move. But we're going to go ahead and slide our engine up on this piece here and put our fan cover back on. We got the handle on it. We're gonna put this gas hose on right here in a minute. Show you how good this thing runs. Here, can you want to yank on it there? The trimmer, not me. The trimmer. That's our kill switch right there for now. Okay, this project's just about done here. All you're going to do is take this out in your yard and set it wherever the mole little trails across your yard is. And I usually just take my finger and make a hole down in that where that little mole runs. Stick this back down in that hole, cover it up with dirt, and then fire this thing up and just let it idle. And it doesn't have to run any more than just a slow idle. And I guarantee you the moles will be gone. I got rid of all the moles in my backyard in about 2 weeks with one of these things. And in case you're wondering what it's called the GT 9000 Mole Be Gone. thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good day, and hit that subscribe button down there, and that way you'll be notified whenever I make new videos.